Hello, I am Sarvashish Kumar Pal. Today I am teaching theorem number 2, kernel of a homomorphism. Theorem number 2, kernel of a homomorphism. Let F be a homomorphism from of a group G into G dash. Okay. In my previous class I defined about homomorphism. Let F be a homomorphism of group G into G dash with kernel K. We also define their kernel. Let A be the given element of G such that Fa is equal to A dash belongs to G dash. Then the set of all those elements G which have image A dash in G dash is the coset K of K in J. Coset K of K in J. We define it very clearly. Let E and E dash be the identity element G and G dash respectively. Let A belongs to G, Fa is equal to A dash belongs to G dash. Let F dash A dash, it means X belongs to G, Fx is equal to A dash. Then to prove F dash A dash equal to K. That means then the set of all those elements G which have image A dash is the coset K of K in G. So here you then prove that F dash F inverse K A dash is equal to K. Let Y is equal to K. Let Y is equal to small k, small, that is capital small K for all K. Then Fy is equal to Fk, that is by homomorphism you can write Fk into Fa. And what is Fk? Fk is equal to, from kernel you can write, that is equal to E dash. E dash into Fa equal to Fa. Fa means A dash, so Fy is equal to A dash. So if Y belongs to F inverse A dash, that is F inverse A dash, then it means Y belongs to F inverse A dash. Thus Y belongs to K, this implies Y belongs to F inverse A dash. So K is the subset of F inverse K dash. Now let Z be any element of F dash F inverse A dash. Therefore Fz is equal to A dash. Okay. Now we have Fz A inverse is equal to, from homomorphism you can write Fz F A inverse, then Fz F A to the power inverse. Okay, so Fz equal to, what is Fz? Fz equal to A dash, that is A dash to the power A dash inverse. So this is E dash. So Z A dash belongs to K, and now Z A inverse into A, that belongs to K, both side A, then Z belongs to K. Thus Z belongs to F inverse A, this belongs F, this implies Z belongs to K. So F inverse A dash belong subset of K. From 2 we can write F inverse A dash is equal to K, which we have to prove that. Okay, thank you so much.